What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Isha and with this video I'm starting a series. So last week अपने Instagram पे story पे मैंने एक question पूछा था, tell me a skill you have that you can teach me. What can I learn from you? So I got so many responses and उसमें से एक response था जिससे आज मैं ये series शुरू कर रही हूँ. So there's a friend of mine, Minakshi Mehelwal, who is a yoga instructor. एंड उसने मुझे बोला कि वो मुझे योगा सिखाएगी. बट जब हमने डिस्कस किया तो यही समझ में आया कि ऑब्वियसली योगा तो एक बहुत बड़ा टॉपिक है, उसको करने में बहुत टाइम लगेगा, एक सेशन में कवर तो नहीं हो सकता. देन वी थॉट ऑफ अ टॉपिक जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है इस वक्त मेरे लिए, आपके लिए, बच्चे से लेके बड़ों तक. ये टॉपिक सबके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो हम लोगों ने डिसाइड किया कि इस वीडियो में हाउ टू इंक्रीज योर ऑक्सीजन लेवल्स with the help of yoga ये सीखेंगे हम. So over to you, Minakshi.
Hi Isha, thank you. And I must say, you are a cheerful person. I really like your smile. You are absolutely right. We should practice pranayam and few breathing exercises on regular basis, especially in this pandemic time. So you are ready? Let's start it. First is normal inhalation and exhalation. Sit in any comfortable pose and deeply and slowly inhale then exhale completely from your nostril and repeat it at least 8 to 10 times. Inhale, then exhale completely. After this, do inhalation from your nostril and exhalation from your mouth. Again, repeat it for 8 to 10 times for better results. Normal inhalation and exhalation. Inhalation from your nostril and exhalation from your mouth. Second is Anulom Vilom. Block your right nostril with the help of your thumb and slowly and deeply inhale from your left nostril. Block it with the help of your fingers. Release your right nostril and exhale from your right nostril. Then inhale from your right nostril. Block it with the help of your thumb. Release your left nostril. Then exhale from your left nostril. Repeat it 8 to 10 times, but ends at left nostril itself. It's an effective way to enhance lung function. Third is step breathing. It means we need to do inhalation and exhalation in steps. How? Like we need to count. So just do inhalation. 1, 2, 3. Hold. Now release. One, 2, 3. Hold. Now release. Second is inhale, hold, now start exhalation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 completely. Inhale, hold, now start exhalation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 completely. Third time, we need to do step breathing for both, like inhalation and exhalation. So we'll count for inhalation first. 1, 2, 3. Hold. Now start releasing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 completely. 1, 2, 3. Hold. Now start releasing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 completely. Do it 8 to 10 times. This pranayam positively affects emotions and mental well-being. Next is Brahmari Pranayam. Put your little fingers on the edges of your lips, ring fingers on above of your lips, big fingers on nose, index fingers on your eyes, and thumb on the cartilage of your ears. Now inhale and press your nostril and cartilage of your ear gently and softly, and then make B sound while exhalation. It is proved that humming increases the production of nitric oxide by 15 times. Next is Bhastrika, which involves a rapid and forceful process of inhalation and exhalation. We raise our arms up in the air with inhalation and takes them down with forceful exhalation. We repeat it 13 to 15 times, and it should not be performed by people suffering from heart diseases, high blood pressure, and hernia patients. Next is Shitli Pranayam. Take your tongue out, roll it, inhale from your mouth, take it back, and then exhale from your nostril. Wow, Isha, you were superb. You did it well.
Thank you so much, Meenakshi, for this beautiful session.
There is no doubt I really enjoyed this session with you.
अच्छा, apart from this pranayam yoga जो आपने हमें सिखाया, is there anything else that we can try to increase our oxygen levels?
Though we have practiced few pranayam techniques today, however, there are two more breathing techniques which can be practiced by anyone. One is blowing up a balloon, and second one is we need to take water in a glass, and then with the help of straw we need to make bubbles in water. Like we do inhale, and while doing exhalation we need to make bubbles. I'm pretty sure these two techniques will help anyone to increase oxygen level.
That's a great tip, Meenakshi. You guys can follow Meenakshi on Instagram. I'll put a link of her Insta account in the description box below, and you can go and follow her there. She's very consistent with her content, and she also gives online classes, so you can DM her on Instagram if you want online classes from her. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got value from this video. Do share it with your friends, your family, your colleagues, whosoever you care for. Just share it with them. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, bell button, and see you soon.